Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a quick look at what is going to go on in Unit 4. Okay, my office hour chat schedule for this week will be as follows. Tomorrow, Monday, January 27th, my office hour will be held as regularly scheduled from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And Tuesday, our chat number 4 will be held at our regularly scheduled time. Check your class schedule for that, please. Okay, important due dates. First of all, let's wrap up Unit 3. Unit 3 due dates, Tuesday, which will be the 28th. You have your Unit 3 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then, very important, your Unit 4 due dates. Extremely important because it's going to be a busy week, important week, because you have your Unit 4 discussion board due. Okay, very important. Unit 2 discussion board and Unit 4 discussion board are your two writing assignments, incredibly important assignments. Get these done. Okay, remember the key to 5.5 week semester is getting things done early, turn in early. Don't let things snowball. Okay, so your Unit 4 due dates. Friday, which will be the 31st, you have two things due. Firstly, as always, you have your Friday determined knowledge due date. So Unit 4 determined knowledge will be due Friday, January 31st by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also on Friday, January 31st, you have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due. This is where you answer the prompt. That is due January 31st by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Very important to get your original post in by the Friday deadline. Then on Tuesday, February 4th, you have two things due. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then, very important, you have your Unit 4 discussion board response post where you respond to your classmates. And remember, answer the questions set forth with the assignment within your responses, and each response must be 100 words in length. Okay? Also, keep in mind that after February 4th, your Unit 4 discussion board responses will no longer be accepted. So get these in. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You got this, everybody. Stay CT strong and let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful week, everybody.